Do you have a busy life where you feel like you can't have bath time? In this video, I'm going to tell you my 7 things I can't live without to have a successful bath time. Hi, welcome to Jackie How. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to have a successful bath time with my 7 things I can't live without for my bath time. So let's get started. Bath time is extremely important. It's a time where you relax, de-stress, breathe, take some time to help your mind, your body, and your soul. It's so important to do that because we're so strong, we take on so much, and it's our time to take care of ourselves. The first thing that I recommend you do is writing it on a schedule. Make sure you have it on your schedule. I recently started making a schedule because honestly, my life felt a little chaotic and I felt like I wanted to do so much. And it's like, I need to do this and I need to do this and I need to do that. Relax. That's too much. It's too overwhelming. It's too exhausting. So I got a little calendar from Target and I wrote down my life. Basically, I was all like, oh, I'm free-spirited, I'm not supposed to be on a schedule, my life is supposed to just be random. No, a schedule is so important. So I write it on my schedule. Every Sunday I have bath time. It just helps me relax, helps me get ready for the week. My bath time is on Sundays. What I like to do is I make sure I do all my chores on Sunday. I make sure I do dinner. I make sure I wash my hair and everything. So that way when it comes nighttime and everyone's settled in, everyone's doing their own thing, everyone's fed, so no one's gonna bother me. The schedule definitely helps, and that makes sure that I have my me time. I make sure that because I'm so well needed in my household, us women, we're the backbones of the family. We're the ones that get stuff done. We're the ones that our family counts on. So it's up to us to make sure we take care of ourselves, because without us, how would everyone be? What would everyone do? So it's important for us to take care of ourselves. So please write it on a schedule. Make it a point to have your bath time on a regularly scheduled program. An important part of my bath time is making a sound barrier so that way I don't hear the rest of my house, and my house doesn't have to be affected by what I'm doing. They could still play around, they could still watch TV, they could still laugh and play, and I could still have my me time. So the way I silence them is I turn on my Google speaker. And I love this Google speaker. Normally it has like a long wire. I love this little piece because you just plug it into the wall and it stays neatly on the wall, very not flushed, but no wiring hanging out. So this is amazing. And what I do is I put it at max volume. I tell her to play spa music and it's so peaceful. She plays like waterfalls and raining and then like little bells. And I feel like it opens up my senses, like it opens up my hearing, and I can hear, and it allows me to connect more with my body and connect with the water that's touching my skin. So using my hearing sense with my bath time is amazing, and it helps me connect with my mind more. So definitely need a speaker if you want to have a successful bath, just to silence the outside world and to have your own little world. Even if it's temporary, it definitely helps. My third thing is I'm a very visual person. Like visually, I love pretty things. I love seeing something beautiful. I love cute designs. Like that makes me very, very happy. And the thing that makes me very happy is flowers. I love flowers. I love roses, especially. Every week before my bath time on Sundays, when I go to the supermarket, I buy just a bouquet of roses. And what I like to do is I put it in a vase and I put it next to my bath, and I take a few roses and I just throw the petals on the water, and that just makes me feel connected with the roses. If you saw my BoxyCharm video, it says something about roses have high vibrational frequencies. I honestly never heard of that before, but maybe that's why I feel so connected to roses, because maybe I could feel it. The sense of feeling the roses and seeing the roses smelling the roses. So basically all my senses are at play. I have my hearing with the Google speaker, and I have my nose, my smelling sense with my roses, and visually I can see the flowers, and that just makes me feel elegant and beautiful and sexy and comfortable, and it just relaxes me so much. So definitely flowers helps me have a successful bath time because it just makes me happy to see them and smell them and feel them. The next thing I love are candles. Just like the flowers, I love seeing the fire. I love feeling the fact that I have fire next to me, and it's just light. I turn off all the lights, and I love to have just that soft, beautiful, elegant light. Even though for the majority of my bath, I do have like my eyes closed and just focusing on my surroundings and my energy and just breathing and relaxing. The fire, I feel like it brings some type of energy to my bath, and I love it. So I love visually to see the candles. I love to see the fire, how elegantly it drifts and it flows and it lights up the room so elegantly. Having the flame, it just brings me the energy that I need to help me rejuvenate and relax. So definitely candles are a plus. I love to have baths with water by my side. I especially love cucumber water when I'm taking my baths because I just feel like it refreshes me. Just the cucumber scent, the cucumber taste, it definitely makes me feel like inside of my body is getting rejuvenated and refreshed, and it feels so good. Cucumber water helps with hydration and also helps with antioxidants. The next thing I use during my bath time is a scrub. So while my skin is soaking in the tub, I feel like it's getting softer, so a scrub will work better. I love scrubs. I'm always on a hunt trying to find the best type of scrub. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me use this scrub. My Instagram name is at JackieHowe_J. So if you're not following me there, that's where I be. Yo. I saw this one when I was doing my food shopping. I was like, oh my gosh, I need a new scrub, so let me see if this one is good. This is by Shea Moisture, and this is the Coconut Hibiscus Illuminating Hand and Body Scrub with vitamin E. I love Shea Moisture products. You know that I've used them before if you've seen my previous videos. The scrub is so fine. It does such a good job with exfoliating my skin and feeling clean, feeling fresh. And that's very important. I need a body scrub because the body scrub also helps me feel like I'm scrubbing the dirt away. I'm scrubbing my last week's work away. I'm starting a new week. So mentally, it just feels like I'm doing something good for my body. I'm cleansing it in a way where I'm getting ready for the next week. A body scrub is definitely something that I love to use. The last thing that I focus on with my bath time is breathing. I know we breathe, we're all alive, and this is an involuntary movement. We always breathing. But when you stop and focus on your breathing, stop and focus on what your body is telling you and telling your body to relax, because you're in control of your body all the time. So you have the power to control your senses, to control your body, your attitude. So with me, breathing deeply helps me so much. It helps me control my body. Like I feel more relaxed. I feel more connected with my body. I feel more connected with my sounds, with the music. I feel more connected with the sugar, like the scrub. I feel connected with the water that's touching me, the rose petals. So everything is an experience. And the breathing is just inhaling my air and just feeling my lungs expand. I feel like this is all an experience to help me rejuvenate and help my mind, my body, and my soul. Because sometimes the world is heavy. The world can be crazy sometimes. But it's all on perspective. What we attract is what we get. So we have to rejuvenate to attract positive things. We have to rejuvenate and take care of our bodies and our minds and our souls to be positive, to be caring, to be loving. So that way we can not only love ourselves and care for ourselves, so the energy that comes to us will be positive and amazing and beautiful. Life is not always perfect, but it's up to us to try our hardest to be the better version of ourselves and to take care of ourselves every day. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. My name is Jackie, and in this video, I tell you how to have a successful bath time with my 7 tips. I love you so much. Please take care of yourself. You're so beautiful. You're so amazing. Never forget your superpower. You control everything in your life. So don't forget how amazing and powerful you are. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.